And I'm back. You was your girl, Sparkle Nink Sabi So. And I'm sitting here watching this show. Now, I don't know if many of y'all know about this show, but hold on. So, I don't know if y'all know who that is, but he a YouTuber, and basically, he go around on his show busting people, or allegedly busting people for what they're doing with their antics, and records it, right? But some about this show say, I've been watching his mannerisms, and I think some of this stuff is staged. But we already knew that, but I'm just saying, peep game, peep game. This episode right here. So this episode I'm watching right here, I already watched this episode. I already went through this. But it's something in this episode that I'm just like, yeah, I'm about to record this shit, because y'all gotta really watch this chick right here. Y'all gotta watch her whole mannerism. Like, you would think she got you, but it's fake. And then him, I don't know, but this dude in the middle, him right here, he is the reason the show is what it is, because he be finding the most dramatic ass people and the most okay, I play dumb if it'll get me some money people, and then he just in the middle instigating. Now, some of his stuff I be believing just a little bit, but the only reason why I be believing it is for entertainment purposes. Just, I know this is not happening in real life, but you really gotta stage this shit in order for you to get some type of lit fame. You feel me? So I feel like, okay, like I said, maybe some of it is real because it be real reactions, and then I think some is staged. But watch old girl face, like, this is staged to me. Okay. Alright, so go through the messages, don't leave nothing untouched. So basically, he made them go through each other's phones. Like, this is the intro. Hold on. Okay, see shit like this. So that's why I said it kind of made me think it's staged. Because listen to what he just said. Like, he couldn't finish the video. Like, in other words, either this is really like real life happening and he's calling these people back to get them to do it again, but it's also staged. Even if it's real life, you still got to stage this shit. Look, just watch it. Some explaining to do. Okay. Alright, so let's. And it's always start off with the guys. Sometimes it start off with the girls, but it always start off with the guys. Just watch this whole demeanor and shit. Just, man. I don't understand. Like, it's just a loyalty test to see, within your phone to see if you're loyal, bro. I mean, I get that, but we already established that. Like, so if you establish the trust, then why is it not? Twice. Do the challenge right now, then. Twice. If you have the trust established. I mean, because we should already. Ooh. What? Why are you hiding your phone? Why are you hiding your phone? I'm really not, though. There's nothing to hide. Nothing to hide. I mean, that's fine. That's three. It's not now. Now I want to see it. Yeah. That's not a problem. I can do that. That's not a problem. Hey, stop the phone. Stop the phone. Alright, so go through the messages. Okay, here we go. I'm going through his best friend's message right now. Why? Because he would know everything. Can I call you? I need to talk real quick. I'm busy. What's up? I'm on my way to Julie's right now. Can I get a call? I just need to talk really quick, bro. It'll be quick, I swear. Julie is his ex. What's the matter, really? Here it comes. What's up, man? Oh, bitch. Hey, look, hey, what did we talk about the other night? Cause like I was a little too lit, man. Wait, so you don't remember anything? I guess like last night, something up short, like you kind of like hit up your ex and said you got in your feelings and you missed her. So like you basically like just contact her and you were happy she picked up the phone and then I don't even know. Now see, the concern in that young man's face make me think that it's a little real, but I must digress. Like old times spent the night, and then y'all ended up like sleeping together and shit. And then I mean, her facial expression made it feel real. And then she said, congratulations. Hold on, because if you ain't hear it, I'm going to play it again. Huh? What she say, baby? Okay. Now just watch her throughout the rest of this scene. It's like she trying to make herself cry right here. Hold up. Like, come on with it. I know you lying. Girl, wait. Girl. I know you lying, girl. We gonna keep it right there.
I'm so sorry. Bro, do something.
Bro, do something. Shut up.
Bro, do something. Why would you do that?
No tears whatsoever. Watch it. Here it comes.
Sorry, but I it wasn't supposed to go that way, I swear. Why would you talk to your ex, bro? Look what you did.
He's so fake. What it is? Look at his smile. Alright, continue. First of all, sorry about the camera. But y'all see how she pressing her eyes in to cry?
Okay, I'm just gonna let you guys.
I just don't know. And he really, to me, don't make anything any better. But okay, y'all. I'll see y'all later. Namaste.